Ever wondered how millionaires invest their money safely? A question that many of us have pondered upon while daydreaming about our financial freedom. Well, it's not a secret locked away in a vault, but a game of strategy that anyone can learn and master. So, what do millionaires do differently? It's not that they have a magic wand or a secret potion, it's their mindset, their approach, and the strategies they employ to protect their wealth. They understand that the real power lies not just in making money, but in keeping it and growing it, even in the face of market volatility and economic downturns. They see money as a tool, not a goal, a tool that can be leveraged to create more wealth. It's not about hoarding, but about multiplying. They understand the art of balancing risk and return, of diversifying their portfolio and making calculated decisions. They are not afraid to step out of their comfort zone, but they do so with a safety net securely in place. Millionaires know that the key to preserving wealth lies in safe investments. But what does safe really mean? Does it mean low risk, high return, or perhaps a combination of both? The answer is not as straightforward as it may seem. The concept of safety in investments is multifaceted. It involves understanding the risk associated with each investment, the potential return, and the time it will take to see that return. It also involves knowing the market, keeping abreast of economic trends, and staying flexible to adapt to changing circumstances. But here's the good news. These strategies, these secrets of the wealthy, they are not exclusive to the Millionaires Club. They can be learned, they can be applied, and they can help you build and protect your wealth too. So, are you ready to unlock the millionaire's secret? Are you ready to learn the art of safe investing and take control of your financial future? If yes, then you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets of safe investment strategies. Investing is all about balancing risk and return. Imagine a teeter-totter with risk on one end and return on the other. The higher the potential return, the greater the risk. Safe investments, on the other hand, typically offer lower returns but carry less risk. Think of it as a gentle seesaw ride rather than a thrilling roller coaster. Now, you may wonder, how can we balance this seesaw? Well, the secret lies in diversification. By spreading your investments across a variety of assets, stocks, bonds, real estate, and more, you can minimize the potential for catastrophic losses. It's like having a safety net under your teeter-totter. If one asset class takes a dip, others may rise, cushioning the impact. This is why diversification is so crucial. It allows you to reach for higher returns without significantly raising your risk level. So when it comes to investing, remember, diversification is a millionaire's best friend. Scene script. Ever heard of the term compound interest? It's a millionaire's secret weapon. Imagine you're planting a seed. This seed isn't just any seed, it's the seed of a money tree. Now, the intriguing part about this money tree is that the more it grows, the more seeds it produces. Each of these seeds can be planted to grow additional money trees, and so on. This, in essence, is the principle of compound interest. Your initial investment is the seed you plant. The interest you earn on that investment is the first set of seeds. When these seeds are reinvested, they grow into more trees, producing even more seeds. With each passing year, your forest of money trees multiplies, significantly increasing your investment returns over time. It's this process of earning interest on your interest that makes compound interest a powerful tool for building wealth. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, growing larger and faster with each revolution. So the earlier you start investing, the more you can benefit from compound interest. Now, let's delve into the world of safe investment vehicles. Safe investment options are essential for those who wish to grow their wealth while mitigating risk. Among the most favored are bonds, index funds, and real estate. First, let's talk about bonds. Bonds are essentially loans that you're giving to a company or government. In return, they promise to pay you back with interest over a fixed period. They're considered safe because they provide a steady stream of income. However, the trade-off is that the returns are usually lower than other investment types. The risk involved is that the issuer might default on their promise to pay back, but such instances are rather rare. Next, we have index funds. These are a type of mutual fund with a portfolio constructed to match or track the components of a market index. Index funds are favored for their diversification and low operating expenses. With index funds, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket, as they provide exposure to a wide range of companies. The risk here is market risk, as the fund will go down if the overall market declines. However, over the long term, the market has historically always gone up. Lastly, let's consider real estate. Buying property is one of the oldest and most popular forms of investment. Whether you're buying a home to live in or renting it out, real estate can provide a steady income stream and potential appreciation over time. The risks include property damage, fluctuations in the property market, and potential periods without tenants. But with proper management, these risks can be mitigated. Each of these investment vehicles has its own set of benefits, risks, and potential returns. It's essential to understand these factors to make informed decisions about where to put your money. Remember, choosing the right investment vehicle is crucial for your financial success. So, are you ready to start your journey towards financial freedom? We've unveiled the millionaire's secret and explored the dynamics of risk and return. We've unraveled the power of compound interest and introduced you to some safe investment vehicles. Now, it's time to take this knowledge and put it to work. Remember, every millionaire started somewhere. You don't have to have a fortune to begin investing. Even the smallest investment can grow exponentially over time with the magic of compound interest. However, it's crucial to remember that these are broad strategies. Just as every individual is unique, so too are their financial circumstances and goals. Therefore, it is highly recommended that you seek professional advice. Let the experts help you tailor these strategies to your specific needs and aspirations. It's time to take control. It's time to shape your financial future. Take the first step today and secure your financial future. And don't forget to subscribe for more insider tips on wealth management.